Hey guys, RTT back here for that video. So Evan Leaks at it again, posting all the pricing for the upcoming Samsung event. So the event is coming up soon, and here are all the pricing of all the items that are going to be in the event. So starting off right away, as you guys can see, this is in euros. So for example, 1,999 from euros to USD is $2,373. He does make a point that remembering the pricing is also never a direct conversion across markets and currencies. So sometimes, for example, it might be $19.99 here, but in the United States, it might be something like $2,000, right? So again, it's never usually a direct direct conversion. Sometimes pricing is a little bit, wonky. Nonetheless, though, for the UK, this is what the pricing look like. We can kind of get a general gist of what it will be for the actual United States, like I said, because this is the 256 gigabyte model of the Galaxy Fold 3. For the Galaxy Fold 3 128 gigabyte model, that this one right here is, this is going to go ahead and be $18.99, which if you do that in calculations, that's about $2,200. Now keep in mind, another thing is that means it's only $100 difference for double the storage of the Galaxy Folds. So that's actually kind of interesting. So from going from 128 gig to 256 gig, you're spending $100 more. I think a lot of people are going to be buying the 256 gig, and it's going to be selling out like hotcakes, because why not? $100 more. You're already spending a crap ton of money to spend $100 more and get the 256 gig versus 128 gig. Definitely worth it. So taking a look at some other items we have here, we have the Z Flip 3, obviously right here. Price tag being $1149. Just a quick comparison, that's going to go ahead and be $1,300 pretty much. $1,364 for the Z Flip 256 gigabyte model. The original 128 gigabyte model is going to only be $1,099. So just like the Fold, for what is this, around $50 more, you get twice the gigabytes for literally $50 more. So that's not bad at all. Of course, the original one being $1,304 for the 128 gigabytes. So $50 more to get double the storage. So far, I will definitely say recommendation is 256 gigabyte of this version, and going with the 256 gigabyte of the Z Flip 3 if you're looking at those phones. Definitely recommended right there. So next thing we have here is going to go ahead and be the new Galaxy Watch. This is $409. So taking a look at that real fast, we're looking at $485 USD. I'm going to just pull it up right here. So these are the direct comparisons. So 409, actually wait, no, 309. Okay, so this is a 46 millimeter, that's why. Okay, so for this one, 309. For the 44 millimeter, that's going to be roughly around $366. For this one right here, the 40 millimeter Galaxy Watch, we're looking at a price tag of around $331. Not bad. Next thing, let's go ahead and look at is going to go ahead and be, of course, the 42 millimeter, and that's going to be $379, which roughly gives us around a price tag of $449. So, okay, interesting indeed. Galaxy Watch is very expensive, but obviously Apple Watches are too. So this is kind of what you have to expect. All right, so next thing we have here is the Galaxy Buds. The Galaxy Buds are going to go ahead and come in at $159. That roughly will hit you out at $188 for the Galaxy Buds, which keeps them below the the Apple AirPods Pro. Think for a second. That puts it below this price tag and right around the price tag of what we are going to see for the AirPods 3. So that's actually a really good range to be in, I would definitely say, for Samsung, because we're going to see the AirPods 3 come out during the September launch of the Apple event. So that is a good price tag, I would say, for Samsung to keep it at a price tag around that, you know, area. Nonetheless, though, those are the prices we have right now, guys. So sorry, I hope I got through this video without slowing my words. I don't know why, it's been a long day, guys, so I apologize for that. But taking a look at this, definitely very, very interesting. I'm excited to see, you know, what the actual Unpacked event looks like. It will be coming out in about 10 days, so we're gonna see what else, you know, Samsung talks about these products, because we know the prices of them, we know what products they are, we know some details like the camera specs of these products, but I'm interested to see how much more we learn. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.